During an event in Nairobi ahead of the commemoration of the 21st World Day Against Death Penalty, the ICJ argues that the death penalty is a violation of the right to life.
Securing the right to productive.
Now, in regards to the abolition of death penalty, the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights has been in this debate since inception. And in 2007, we published a position paper where we were urging the government of Kenya to abolish the death penalty. And our argument was based on the fact that the death penalty was unconstitutional then. That was actually before we got the 2010 constitution. So, and therefore the government needed, because the government is the one that promotes rule of law, therefore it needed to act constitutionally and abolish the death penalty. Unfortunately, since then, abolition has never taken place. We've had a lot of commutations, including the latest commutations that were done by the President, Honorable William Ruto, I think last month, of around 634, but the abolition is yet to take place.
So December 2022, our own statistics that we received from prison, and perhaps because of the commutation, were that there were 22 women serving the death sentence, of which 2 had been convicted of robbery with violence, and the other 20 were for murder. So perhaps then we can compare notes in terms of statistics, because one of the areas we need to work together as civil society is what are the figures and the statistics that are in our prisons at the moment. The 99 versus 2 for us then raises the question, what the 2 women, what are they convicted of? And for us at ICJ, we began a campaign to focus on the gendered perspective of the death penalty.
Reaction of